Hi guys, I'm Jaina and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you my go-to straight blow dry hairstyle and how I achieve it using the Revlon hot brush tool. It was Blowdry, I got it on a really good deal. I used to use it every now and then, but I would just always go in and let my hair dry naturally or use my hairdryer. But obviously since it's been going viral, I have been using it a lot more just to see what we could achieve with it. And I thought I would just show you how I use it in this video and how I achieve this kind of straight at home voluminous blow dry. I have quite fine thin hair anyway, so for me this is just super easy. I'm not putting too much heat product on it. Literally like a one-stop shop product. I do actually really love this product. I know it went viral and everyone was like raving about it. It is just so easy to use. It's so quick, so simple, it literally turns on. My only downfall about this one product is that it is very loud. It's so noisy that it's quite irritating if you've got long hair. Like I said, just because my hair's a little bit longer, it takes 10 to 15 minutes. You can kind of curl it a little bit more at the edges to kind of get a little bit more of a wave, but I kind of wanted something just a little bit with a little bit of volume and a straight style. This style tends to last me around maybe 2 days before I kind of have to go into like day 3 hair up because it's too greasy mode. But yeah, I hope you enjoy. If you like this video and you want to see more, please like this video and subscribe down below, and look out for my new videos once a week, and I hope you enjoy. So as you can see, I've done both of the bottom layers and they're kind of flicking. Can't really tell now, but I'm going to go and blow dry the rest of my hair like I just did, and I'll be back to show you the finished product and the final review. Now for the front bit, I just gather both of them together and I just blow dry it forward first, just to dry it, and then I get right at the root and pull it back so we get some volume. So then once I'm done, I just kind of go through and do a little tussle. I don't really run it through with the hairbrush because I think that kind of, with my hair top is quite fine, so I find that it flattens like the strands and kind of tugs at them. So once I've done this, because you're using the brush to like brush through it and dry it, I then just kind of leave it, and I'll either style it with hairspray. Obviously we're not going anywhere during COVID, so I kind of just leave it, and that's my hairstyle.